Horses out, Pegasus, fast to begin, moving up, touch of class, Zanari outside, quick play, Tala sa umaga, Mangaro, substantial, winking eye, then followed by Boyo, winning habit, and Malihim is the early trailer by about 14 to 15 lengths up the pace. Pegasus running by Drell, Zanari outside is quick play. 2 lengths away, third Tala sa umaga, running by Drell, fourth touch of class. Then racing in fifth, winking eye, substantial comes next alongside is entry number 4, Mangaro Boyo. Then followed over by winning habit and Malihim now racing in last. Meanwhile, we have Pegasus by about 4 lengths. Quick play moving up Tala sa umaga to take second touch of class. Draws back in fourth, winking eye. Substantial now trying to get closer in 6. The 7th position is Mangaro Boyo, winning habit, and Malihim. Pegasus by about 4 lengths. Winking eye down on the inside. Tala sa umaga. Substantial now coming closer in fourth. Then followed over by quick play as they come down at the last 150. And it's still Pegasus by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside now is Substantial. Pegasus is Substantial moving up on the outside. It's now Substantial by about 2 lengths about Pegasus. And finally Substantial. Pegasus. Close. Mangaro. Winning habit. Or other Tala sa umaga.
9-1 lang yung klaro dahil sabay-sabay dumating sa tercera.